Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. I am your friend and finance guru Vishal Thakkar, back again with the final video on our ratio analysis series. Yes friends, I am talking about efficiency ratio today, and you will notice that there are 6 efficiency ratios. Number 1, inventory turnover. Number 2, debtors turnover. Number 3, creditors turnover. Number 4, current assets turnover. Number 5, working capital turnover. And number 6, total capital turnover. Have you noticed that all these ratios have turnover as common? And what is turnover? Yes, you guessed it right. It is sales, top line in new business terms. So entire efficiency of business is measured by turnover as the numerator. So inventory turnover is sales upon average inventory, where average inventory is taken for statistical smoothing, which is opening inventory plus closing inventory by 2. And the same thing follows on. Receivable turnover, you take sales upon average receivables. Payables turnover, you take sales upon average payables. Actually, we don't take sales, we take COGS, that is cost of goods sold, because we would eliminate profit element from the purchase side ratios. If you look at current asset turnover, again sales by average current assets. If you look at working capital turnover, that is where you take net working capital, which is sales upon average of net working capital. And when you take capital turnover, you take sales upon your average of total capital. So there is a lot that can be deep dived into these ratios, and these ratios can help you not just to measure the productivity or efficiency of your business, but can also help you to plan and take sharper financial decisions for future. So all this and lot more can be covered in many of our such programs that are going on. I would urge you to look up for me on the internet and find out what are the free programs that you can attend. If you like our free programs, there are other programs which are nominally paid as well, where you get more and more value and you become sharper and sharper when it comes to financial decision making. At the end of the day, the first and the best place to invest is to invest in yourself. So invest in yourself today, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel Finance Tube. So, like what you saw in ratio analysis, I have an exciting video course just for you to do a deep dive and make the most of it. I look forward to subscribing on that as well.